and the box. I've got the Gemini stitch. Woo! Let me come closer. If I come closer, you're not going to be able to see the top of my head because I'm already slouching. So bear with me a second. Okay, here I am. Here is what I've got. Oh, I've got the Gemini stitch. It's just arrived. Well, it arrived about 20 minutes ago. My lovely DPD driver that brings me everything, he was very excited that I was so excited because I wasn't expecting it to arrive today. And here it came. Oh, thanks for the love hearts, Mum. Hi, Heather. Hello, Mum. So here is the box for the Gemini stitch. I have not opened it. I have been very restrained, and I thought, how about we do a live unboxing? When is it on Hochanda? Pass. Don't know. It's available to purchase from the Crafters Companion UK website today. Woo! Right. So we're going to unbox this Gemini stitch. I have no cutting implements to be able to get into this box. Oh, hi Judith. Oh, good. I'm pleased. Oh, end of September it's on Hochanda, Mum says. So there we are. I'm just going to take a breath for a second just to calm down. I'm very excited. Disclaimer, okay? Got a lot of building work going on here at the moment, so there may be lots of noises that you're not expecting to hear. There may be, I may have to run and answer the door, you know, that sort of thing. And this is an impromptu live with no one else in the house, so, you know. Right. So first of all, can I just say how super it is that it comes in the box? I know it's back to front to you, I know that, but if I turn the camera, I can't see the screen. And I need to see the screen in order to know I'm showing you what's in the box. So, the box, Gemini Stitch by Crafters Companion. How awesome is it that it says it on the box? So you know, when the man came up the drive, I knew what that was, because I saw it on the box. So let's open it. Should I put it on the table? Oh, let's put it on the table. Sorry, Maggie, I had to calm myself down first. Right. Here we go. Ooh. Ooh, it's like Christmas. Now, I'm like you, I've only ever seen photos of this. I've not had the pleasure of having it yet. So this is very exciting. I'm just doing the other side. Ooh. It's packaged well. Where are my scissors? No, I'm not using my special scissors. Here we are. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, what's in the box? Okay, so in the box, I'm going to have to stand up to take it out of the box. This is when I really could do with another pair of hands. Here we are. Here it is. Hold on. I might have to go and get one of the gardeners to come and help me. We don't normally have gardeners. It's not a regular occurrence for us. Every time I'm putting it down, I'm dropping it back in the box. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Hold on. Let's do it. Let's do it this way. Okay. Yay! It's the Gemini stitch! Oh my gracious. Another box. Oh look! Accessories. So we've got 4-step buttonhole foot, all-purpose foot, zipper foot, darning embroidery foot, darning embroidery plate, butterfly shaped screwdriver, seam ripper, stroke brush, lubricating oil, 3 needles, 3 bobbins, twin needle, small and large screwdriver, quilting guide, spool holder, and felt spool pads. Wowee! That's stacks! That's stacks of accessories! Okay. Right. I'm not really using a heat erasable pen to pop open that seal. I'm not doing it. It's a figment of your imagination. Hi, Dorothy. Are you laughing at my expense, Mother? Okay, another box. See, this is a true unboxing. Okay, here we go. No, I want to do it the same way I did it before. Here we go. Box. Oh, important instructions. Oh, and a cover. Yeah, nice box, very nice box. A cover, instructions. Gemini Stitch by Crafter's Companion. Oh, it's very good, very good. Instructions, lots of instructions. Here we go. Attaching the pressure foot holder. All sorts of loveliness in the instructions. But we don't really care about the instructions, do we? I'm just going to make sure I've got this the right way up now. So this way. Oh, thread holder. Foot pedal and electric. Oh, it's the Gemini Stitch. It's very light, actually. It's not too heavy at all. It's very light, which is very good because as you know, on Hochanda, a lot of the times we bring our machines from the floor up because we have to save space. So actually, this is going to be great for that. Absolutely wonderful. So, I'll take you off here and I'll bring you closer. You don't need to see my face, you want to see the machine. So, oh, rotate mine. Sorry, that's me still. Okay. There we go. So there she is. Oh, all right, Mum. Look, I'm already doing it. Hi, Karen. Oh, yes, Adele, this is great for beginners. Really, this is fantastic. There's going to be a whole one-day special on this, I believe. So, you know, you're going to be taken through step by step of how to use this machine. Now, look at all these stitches. Look at all these stitches. One of my favourites. Look at that, beautiful. Look at all of these. Oh, now I love that. Think about your patchwork. Think about doing that stitch around your patchwork. My gracious me, that's fantastic. Lovely purple dials. Oh, I'll just change the stitch if I don't mind. Thank you. Look at this. It's beautiful. So, in our, I think here's all our accessories. Actually, do you know, they are easy turn dials, and I find that quite fantastic because, you know, if we've got, I know that's my finger, I'm just trying to reach my charger. Because this is very impromptu, I only had 10% of battery. That's my finger again. Yeah, really easy turn dials. I'm really impressed with that. Really impressed. So this is the Gemini Stitch L100. I like that name, L100. Yeah, so my spool holder will have to be attached on at the top. Lovely. There's all my bits and pieces. There's more bits and pieces. Oh, there's my twin needle. Look. Twin needle. It's a foot pedal. It's a foot pedal. Oh, something fell over in the kitchen there. It's a foot pedal. That's there. Let's have a look. What else have we got in here? Oh, button hole. All our bits and pieces in here. Look at all those accessories. Gracious me, it's fantastic. So that goes on there, and we'll slide that back on there. I really like that. I really like how that, you know, normally it goes round and it's got that, but actually I really like this. I really like that a lot. Super, absolutely super. And then we've got the bobbin under here. That's super as well. It just feels so nice. Really does feel beautiful. Let's lift this up. Oh, it's very tricky to do things one-handed. Stitches, look, so it's been tested to make sure it functions properly. Oh, buttonhole, beautiful. Wow. I'm a bit overwhelmed. It's absolutely beautiful. I knew it was beautiful. Obviously, I'd seen pictures of it. I hadn't seen it in the flesh. I now cannot wait to get stitching on this machine. It feels beautiful. It really, really does. That's my autumn display there. Autumn display. Beautiful colour. That lovely purple. Really beautiful. I probably said beautiful about 1,000,000 times. Has anyone got any questions? We have Mum on watching with us, so if you've got anything technical you want to ask about this particular machine, then ask away, because obviously, as you just realised, this is my unboxing, so I have never seen it in the flesh before, so I am super excited about this. Wow, my goodness gracious, isn't it fabulous? So it's wonderfully packaged, really, really great package. I'm going to spin you around me. Yeah, really fantastically packaged as well, so that you can, you know that if you order it online, it's going to come to you. Well, you will order it, you know, it's over the interweb. It's going to come to you in absolutely pristine condition because of all that lovely packages. Yes, it matches the Gemini. It's that lovely shade of purple. Mum, yes, it can do free motion. It can do ruler. Yes, there is. Oh. Sorry, that's my head. I know. I'm looking at it. I'm looking at it because, yeah, twin needle. I'm really excited about that. Oh, gracious me. So there we are. That is the Gemini Stitch unboxed. I'm not going to start using it right now because I'm in my lounge, and you know that's just too much setting up to do. So I'll take that into my craft room and have a nice little play while the kids are at school because they're back today. And do you know what else? I'm going to take this to Hochanda with me if I'm allowed on Friday. So if I'm allowed, I will take this with me. Steph, am I allowed? Can you hear me? I've got my finger over the thing. So there we are. There's the Gemini. There's the foot. Should we get the foot out? It's hard to do it one-handed. Oh, gracious me. Yeah, I can do it one-handed. Yes, I can. There's the foot. Very exciting. Foot. Oh, I'll just do you a close-up. Yes. Superb. And I'm really impressed at how light it is. You know, it's not light. It's not. It's got weight to it for sure, but it's definitely going to be portable. So I think that's going to be fantastic. I'm going to make a cover for it this afternoon. I know it comes with a cover, but I'm going to want a purple cover for it. I wonder if I can find. I bet Mum's done a pattern somewhere. I bet she's done a pattern for a sewing machine cover somewhere. So I'm going to see if I can find that, or I shall make one. Either way, it's going to have a purple cover. Yeah, great for workshops. Really fantastic. I'm really, really impressed with it. I can't wait to get going on it. I'll keep you updated as to what I make and how I get on, but so far, thumbs up from me. Oh, Judith, quick, run! Get that Gemini go! Be great if a carry case were on wheels for it. Yes, that would be lovely, wouldn't it? Right, I'm going to go and check on the fences. We're having our fences moved today, which is very exciting business. Thank you so much for watching my crazy unboxing. I've never done an unboxing before. The kids like to watch things being unboxed on YouTube, but there we go. But I thought it might be fun. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope that you have learnt something about the machine. And I will see you all on Friday on Hochanda, 8 AM, 11 AM, Miniature Friends. See you then. Bye, guys.